Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to make this intro short and sweet so we can get right to what you're here for. I'm switching the exhaust system up on the WRX. I wanted something a little more quiet. I was getting tired of how loud this thing was with the remark system. So for those that don't know, this is the exhaust that I had before. I do have a video of it if you are curious and you want to see what the sound difference is. But I am just trying to make the car a little more subtle, less loud, you know, try and clean it up a little bit. Here is the exhaust. Now, I thought originally I was going to put the stock exhaust on, and then when I got to meet up with the guy to get the exhaust, I realized it wasn't actually the factory exhaust and it was the SPT performance exhaust. Now, one thing to note, as with the stock mufflers, these hang super low, which I don't really care for, but it sounds pretty good. I'm actually pretty impressed with how they sound. So anyone that has ran an aftermarket JPipe with the stock exhaust, you probably know it has a really rattly tin can like sound to it. And you hear the turbo spool really good, but it doesn't sound that great. I think this eliminates a lot of that tin canny sound that you get with the stock mufflers. So this again is the factory SPT exhaust. There you can see on the side the STI engraving. But I am gonna have to find a way to get this thing to sit up a little bit higher. Maybe I do have polyurethane mounts on there, so it shouldn't be sagging much, but maybe I need to get adjustable ones to pull that up just a little bit closer to the cutout. But besides that, I'm really happy with it, and I'm excited for you guys to hear it, and I'm excited to hear what it sounds like outside the car myself. So let's go ahead and get a cold start.